Hey y'all, this is Lady T ZCD coming back at you with a video. And yes, I made it to my destination, my end of the summer vacation. This is truly my vacation for celebrating my 35th anniversary. I know we did a smaller trip to Florida, and so we was gonna wait it out a little bit longer and push it back and celebrate it again in August. So yeah. We made it here to St. Lucia. Yes, we're in the Caribbean island and we're in St. Lucia. And so I'm going to show you a tour of the room. I'm extremely tired, girl. It was a 5-hour flight, pretty much. A drive out of this world. Winding roads and on the wrong side of the street, they drive on the opposite side, steering wheel is on the opposite side of the street, of the car, and just cray. But they greet you with champagne and all the good stuff. So let me jump right on in and do this beautiful room tour before we, probably tear it up or something, with all this clothes and stuff. So yes, I'm so happy God allowed us to get here safe and sound. Okay, so I just walked in the room, and so to the left of me is this beautiful design here on the wall, and so this is the bathroom here where you take care of things, your business. It has a sliding door, and oh Lord, I'm about to tear up the dang thing, but anyway, a sliding door bathroom here. It is a nice property. They're keeping it up. It's not old, but it's nice. They kept it up. You can tell, it's been here for a minute, but love the pool right here. I mean, not the pool, the tub in the middle of the floor right here. And as you go over here to the bathroom, you have, damn, in the mirror. Hey, y'all. You have this door here on the left for the shower. You open the door here, and there's the shower head. That's nice. It's gonna be really nice. And you step in. I love this shower. You have two beautiful shower heads here. And this is gonna be really nice. So, love that. And they have the nice toiletries over there. You're gonna pan around as I will, and then you will see me in the mirror. Hey. And let me go around this way. Hold on, let me shut this door here. This beautiful tub in the middle of the floor is just absolutely huge. So I might jet the jacuzzi tub here. I might have to check that out later on. That's so nice. Love everything that they give you here on the sink. All this nice, they give you water. Oh, I love the sinks here. Very nice. So we're gonna pan around. Nice king size bed. And a nice mirror once again. Hey y'all, hello. I got on this nice traveling outfit. I got this outfit from Rainbow. I got this in the beginning part of the summer, and it was so comfortable to travel in, y'all. I mean, really, and I have on these little lavender slides that I had these got these back last year from Tarjay. The bags are already arrived. We have 2 or 3 butlers. I'm lost count of how many butlers. We have a female butler, and we have, I think, 2 male butlers. So she just left and gave us some instructions on how to do the room service and map and locations of all the rooms and all that. So here we are on the screen showing you how to do the room service and how to order your meals and whatnot. Very nice. We're at the Hideaway at the Royalton of St. Lucia. I don't have some champagne. Anyway, y'all, I'm already celebrating, okay? And so that's a beautiful king size bed. We're gonna pan around. That's a sitting area. Hubby's outside at the pool, swim up pool. I'm gonna go out here, let y'all see it. There's a whole nother desk here. Love that mirror. That mirror is beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna go out here and see what's happening. As y'all can see the slide. I mean, hope I can get out here. I don't know if I don't lock the door or whatever. Hold on, y'all. Oh, it slides. There we go. I was able to open it. Okay, this is the swim out pool area. Step out here. It is hot out here. So I'm gonna close the door because they said when you open the door, the air conditioner cuts off. So I'm gonna close it back up. But this is how it looks. Hubby's already out here. We just got here like, what, 10 minutes ago? And this is just absolutely gorgeous. It's a huge area here. You come out the door here and you have the swim out area. And this is the beach. Here you can see people are already out here on the beach. So yeah, it's very nice. You see how that is set up. This is St. Lucia. I've never been to this part of the Caribbean island. This is on the north side of the island. And this was definitely on our list of islands to go and visit. My husband liked the Caribbean islands, and so this is definitely one of his islands that he wanted to check out.
Zoom up there.
And I'm gonna go right here on this side. Y'all see how that is. This is our view. Beautiful view today. Absolutely gorgeous. So happy to be here. So happy to be here for a week, pretty much, and gonna enjoy this cold time here. So I'm gonna jump off so I can get my traveling clothes off. We are starving. We hadn't had anything. This trip started out at what time, babes?
4:30.
4:30 in the morning. It is now. What time is it here?
It's after 5 p.m.
It's after 5 p.m. here. So
12 hours straight.
12 hours of traveling to this destination from the ATL all over here. Almost, I think it's just near South America, right? Yeah. And just amazing. So anyway, you guys, I'm gonna jump off. I just wanted y'all to see the room. And more videos to come. I will be making a lot of videos, y'all. So be looking out for my upcoming videos of my trip. Thanks for watching. This is Lady TZCD, y'all. I'm about to have a ball, okay? I'm about to have a ball. Let me zoom back. Hold on. Yeah, here we go. I'm about to have a ball. I'm about to have a ball. And yes. So thanks for watching. This is a room tour of my room here in St. Lucia. And like I said, I'm about to have a ball. Don't trip over in this big old tub in the middle of the floor. But thanks for watching, y'all. Let me come up so y'all can see me in the light. Thanks for watching Lady TZCD. And more to come. I'm going to take a tour of the property. Take y'all along with me then. And thumbs up, like, share, comment, and hope you guys enjoy this quick room tour. All right? Bye.